Hello, dear students. So let's start today's lecture. Now we are starting with part B. Part B is your, subject skills. And in part B, the first chapter is word processing. So in class 9th, we studied LibreOffice Writer. We'll now study, Open Office Writer, but the advanced part, advanced topics. So to install the Open Office, just open the browser and on a search bar type Apache Open Office, Open Office download. So the first link is about that only. This is the official website of of OpenOffice, www.openoffice.org. So open the first link. As soon as you click on the first link, this server will bring the latest version of OpenOffice and the download link, right? And this download will be as per the configuration of your system. So this is 64-bit version, so you can simply download it. Of which version you want to download, or for which operating system. So it automatically chooses the operating system as per your system. So you don't have to worry about it. Just click on download full installation, and as soon as you do that, the content will be downloaded and you can just install it, right? So after installing it, you can simply open it by there will be link, there will be icon on a desktop, or simply just if you type WRITR writer, so or so you will find Open Office Writer there, the application Open Office Writer. Just click on it and you can open it. So this is your Open Office Writer, and the interface goes something like this, like the old version of Microsoft Word. And we have studied so many things in class 9. Now we'll continue with more advanced topics. So the first topic that you have is style. So a style is a collection of formatting instructions. Now you know what are the formatting instructions. Suppose I want to format this text. So what I will do, I will just select the text, and this is called a formatting toolbar, and this is written text body. This is a style. This is a predefined style which you have. If you click on this option, then you can simply just select it and you can choose what type of style you want to apply on it. Heading style and heading 3 style. You can see when you choose a particular style, so the content get automatically changed. If you click on a more options, so there are so many other options. So if you click on text body option or simply hanging indent option, so this goes like this. So these are the styles that you already have with you. These are called default styles. Select the text and apply it. But these are the styles which are already saved. We can make our own styles. We can configure them. We can set, we can customize them. We can create our own style, but we'll learn that later on. But first, let's learn that how, from where we get these styles first. These styles are available on where? Formatting toolbar. This toolbar is formatting toolbar. And why do we need them? We need them to apply the formatting instructions, predefined formatting instructions. Otherwise, if you want to apply formatting instructions, then you have to select text, and then you have to choose what type of formatting you want, what type of color you want, everything. So either you set these formatting instructions separately, or you simply create any style and just apply that style, and then it will make your work very easier uh, I mean easier when you create a Word document. So where do we find these styles? Now we'll click on Format option, and there's an option called Styles and Formatting, or you can simply click F11. So this Style and Formatting dialog box will appear, and there you can see this is called paragraph style and this is called character style. These character style, these two are main, and these are the styles that you already have. If you want to apply any style on a text or a content, you simply click on the content and then you click on fill format mode. Click on this box, and in whichever text you want to apply it, just select that text. Right? It is default only. So let me choose something different one now. Heading 10, for example. So this is heading 10 style. Okay, so I can choose a particular style. I can apply the setting of a particular style on a text by simply using this fill format mode. Now, if I want to disable it, you can just disable from it. Now, what if you want to create your own style? So what you will do, style settings, style format, you will simply click on this new style from selection. There's a drop down button over there. You can again click new style from selection. Now you can write the style name. Suppose I'm writing my new style. The name of this style is my new style, and click on OK button. So now this style has come on the list, right? But we haven't set the instructions for the formatting instructions for this style. So you will just simply right click on it and you'll click on modify option. When you click on a modify option, so you have you have so many contents over there that you can set for this style. So first let's set alignment. You can set the alignment whether it will come left, right, or center. Okay, and then you can set text flow, uh, font. You can set what type of font you will provide it, and how much what will the size of the font, what language, font effects. You can choose the font color of the text, overlining, strike through, underlining. These settings can also be applied, and click on OK option. So we have chosen some of the settings for that particular effect. So we have got my new style. Okay, my new style is our new style. If you want to apply this style, click on this fill format box and just select your text. Okay, then we have character style. So we can go on character style also, and then we can just click on a new, or you can right click on anywhere, click on new option, name, my new style 1, uh, user entry, right, category, custom style, font. You can choose what type of font you want, how much size is required, font effects, what color you want, and other settings also. So click on OK option, and I do not know that why the color options are not coming, but it should come actually. So we have written my new style 1. So click on this style, select it, and select it. Fine. So this is working now. So what happened is when I selected the text, or when I have selected text, if I want to apply any style, just double click on it, or simply you can click on this option and choose a style and just select it style, right? It will be applied. So if you want to apply the style that you have selected, so you have that style will be on the list. Click on it, and either you just select the text and double click on the style, or you simply click on a style, then click on fill format mode, and then select it. If you want to make further modification on it, then you can just click on the modify option. And if you want to remove it, just click on the delete option. Now, if you have styles over there, so this has again come into the, this styles box, which is available on formatting toolbar. So from here you can select it, or if you want to remove this option, so there is an option called clear formatting. Everything has been removed. Now if you want to apply your style, then click on more option. There is a style called my new style one, just double click on it, apply it. This is a benefit of creating styles. You can apply the formatting instructions to any text just in a single click. Otherwise, if you do not have these styles, then you have to select the text and choose different formatting instructions for the text. Okay, so styles are what? These are the predefined formatting instructions, and these predefined formatting instructions have names. Like for example, we have chosen a name for our style, that my new style one. You can choose any name for your style, and if you want to apply it, just select the text, double click on a style, or simply select the text and click on fill format mode, or simply click on the style you want to set, click on the fill format mode, select the text, and it will be applied. Fine. So hope you understood this feature, that how we can enable a style on a text, predefined style on a text, how we can create and modify and delete our styles, our own styles on a text. All right. Thank you so much for this. We will study in next class some more details. Style is over now.